What's up, video? It's Sofan from TechCycle. I know the title is little bit creepy, but I have cleaned the keyboard and in my experience is the dirtiest keyboard I ever see. So it all began while I was using the keyboard. The keystroke is not registering. So I thought of cleaning the keyboard. So I did that. That is, I unplugged the keyboard, take the keyboard outside with the tools required. That is, toothpick and the cotton buds. After that, I began to take out the keycaps with my hands, these hands. But before you take out your keycaps, just take the photo of your keyboard so you can, after all the cleaning, you can place the keycap correctly to that correct place without looking at the internet. So I began to take out the keycaps. So after taking about 5 keycaps, I was amazed by the dirt inside the keyboard. I'm a little bit about telling you guys, but I was amazed about the dirt inside the keyboard. See, inside the keyboard. So I just taken out all the keyboard from the alphabet section. So here is another tip, guys. When you are cleaning a keyboard, take the keycaps by part. That is alphabet section, that is F function keys section, and the numerical key section. So take it by parts, so it will be easy for you at the end. So back to dirty business. While cleaning the keyboard, I can see ants inside the keyboard. I can see ants. I see some ants going through the keyboard, that is inside the keyboard. Then only I thought of taking the keyboard apart. So I take my toolbox. Before that, I just clean all my keyboard. That is, I take apart all the keycaps and clean that using cotton bud. Also, I just torn a piece of cotton cloth and use that to clean keyboard too. So I cleaned the entire thing and it was time to clean the keycaps. So for me, the easy way to clean the keycaps, and it's not going to be a professional way, but just take a bowl with water and put the keycaps into that water. So I just do that and I just stir it well. After that, I use the sieve to drain the keycaps out of from water, or you can use the traditional way of just pouring the water outside. I done the sieve method. After that, I just put it to dry under sunshade. That is, by using a cloth, I put the keyboard outside, keycaps outside the sunshade. Yeah, sunshade. Back to the keyboard. I took my toolbox and took the screwdriver out and removed all 10 or more screw from the keyboard back. After that, I flip open the keyboard back, and when I took the membrane out, the keyboard membrane, it's not a mechanical keyboard, so there's a membrane. So when I took the membrane out, then only I found out that my keyboard is house for ants. That is, my keyboard is the ants house. I can guarantee you that this is not for about 1 month. It's been for about their house for more than 6 months, because the rubber thing that is in the keyboard is eaten by the ants. I will show you some B-roll. It was eaten by the ants. You see, my keyboard is ants house. After that, I took my membrane out and cleaned the rubber thing with the same as that of keycap, that is putting in the bowl and just stirring it away and just place it under sunshine. So after that, it was time to clean the keyboard, that is the black thing. So I took it in the good old way of cleaning like car, just pour some water over it using the tap. So I just cleaned that and put it out in the sunshine to dry. I'm using natural grease. After about 3 hours of drying under sunshine, as I use the natural resource, it takes time. After that, I just place the keyboard front and start to place that rubber thing. It's not an easy job. It took me about 15 minutes to place all those rubber thing. It was just sticking to my hands also, so there's issue on that. So after that, I put the membrane back. Still there was ants. I just blow it over. I was going to put the answer where. After that, I just place the membrane, lock it using that, place the membrane keyboard PCB of the keyboard and placed it using the screw. After that, I took the keyboard back and placed it over and started to lock the keyboard. It's about 10 screws. It's taking time. So after that, it's time to place the keycaps back. It was a difficult job for me because I didn't take the photo of the keyboard. So and when this video get uploaded, I will be completed. That is, I will complete this putting the keycaps. It will take time for me or not based on the layout I'm getting from the internet. I think I will be fine. So that's all about this cleaning the dirtiest keyboard, guys. If you think this video sucks, hit the dislike button. If you think this video was awesome, hit the like button and stick with us so you can find some awesome contents, or you can find some contents. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next one.